Hey guys, I made this video to help with your Topic 8 review. So I'm just going to do some example problems that are similar to your worksheet, but you have to do your own math still. So for this first one, I'm going to distribute. I get 10x, and there's 3, 2, 5 total x's. 12x to the fourth minus 14x to the third minus 20x squared minus 24x minus plus, because two negatives, 28. We'll look to see if there's any exponents that combine. Nope. That big long thing is my final answer. So from here I'm going to factor. I could do a times c, or I could say it's our number that divides into all of these. I see 3 divides into all of these. So you have 6x squared minus 7x plus 2. Any number that divides into all those? Nope. So now I do my a times c to get to b. And my winning combo would be -4, -3. These two, what do they have in common? Is a 2x. So I'd be left with 3x minus 2. What do these have in common? Nothing, but I need to match this. So I'm going to do -1. So then I have 3x minus 2, because negative times negative gets me back to a positive. Twins, misfits. All right, to find the perfect square, that means that it's the exact same numbers multiplied. So I have 3x times 3x, because 3 times 3 is 9, and then 2 and 2 multiplied to 4. But I need to make it be negative in the middle, so they both have to be negative. Okay, what is a if it opens opposite of g of x? So if g of x is 1, that means it's opening up. So a has to be negative and narrower. So any number bigger than 1. So 2, -3, -4. All of those would be good answers. All right, let's graph. So my vertex is opposite inside the parentheses, same outside. So 3, 5, and it says to go up 2 over 1. Okay, axis of symmetry is when I split it down the middle. What number does it hit? X is equal to 3. Okay, what's the axis of symmetry when they don't give us vertex form? So that's going to be -b over 2a, or -16 over 2 times -4, or plus 2. What's the max height? So we first start with our axis of symmetry, which is -b over 2a, which is -40 over 2 times -16, okay, which is -40 over 32, and then the two negatives would turn into a positive, and I'm going to convert this into a fraction by just doing 40 divided by 32, and I get 1.25. So this is how many seconds it takes for it to get to its max height. So then I would plug that in to our original equation, but change t for 1.25. So 1.25 squared is 1.875. And then 1.875 times -16 is -30. And then over here, 40 times 1.25 is 50. And then -30 plus 50 is 20 feet. All right, there's a sandcastle. It's 90 inches across, 4 inches high, and they want to build a moat around it. What's the area of the moat? So first, let's find the area of the sandcastle. area is length times width. So 9 times 4, or 36 inches squared. Okay? Now let's find the area of the whole thing. Again, it's going to be length times width. The length is the 9 inches plus the moat on both sides. The moat is W all the way around, so that means length is 9 plus 2 W's, because there's a W here and a W here. The width is 4 inches plus the W on this side plus the W on this side plus 2W. I am going to double distribute. So I get 36 plus 18W plus 8W plus 4W squared. Okay? Combine my like terms. Area is 36 plus 26W plus 4W squared. So that's the area of this whole thing, moat, sandcastle, everything. So the area of just the moat is going to be the area of the hole minus the area of the sandcastle. So it's this number minus this number. So this minus 36 would mean that those go away. So the area of the moat is 4W squared from here plus 26W. So we can figure out what the moat is as soon as we figure out what the width is. But as far as we know right now, it is 4W squared plus 26W. Okay, last one is here is a table. Which of the 4 equations is best suited? So let's first just make a quick graph. Okay, so it says 0, 2, 1, 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 6, 3, 3. So our thing looks something like this. Okay, which means that it went up, and then maybe it went a little bit higher before it came down, but somewhere around here is my vertex. Okay, so what that tells me out of my multiple choice answers is that A is negative because my parabola is opening down based off of my quick plot. Okay, next I would just do out of my 2 multiple choice answers, okay, negative B over 2A, and whatever answer I got. Okay, so let's say I got 3. Okay, 3 is well past our move down. Okay, so that multiple choice answer would be bad. But a different multiple choice answer that said 1.8. 1.8 is somewhere where we thought our vertex would be, so this would be the correct multiple choice answer.